So now you're ready to start your second Tech Day math assignment. So after clicking and watching this whole video, you're going to click the piece of paper and it's going to take you directly to our assignment today for math. Now again, if your link does not work, you can go back to our classroom page, click the classwork tab, scroll down to where it says February 8th through 12th, and look where it says Math Tech Day 2 assignment. And I'm going to click it. Now I'm also going to notice these are pages in my iReady book. So you are more than welcome to complete these pages in your iReady book. Then you're going to tear them out of the iReady book and bring it back to me the next day you are in class completed. So you have two ways to complete this. You can complete it online or complete it on the physical copy on that actual paper that is in your iReady book, or I have given you a copy of this in class 2 to bring back in. If you choose to do it online, we are going to use Kami. Now, some of you use Kami with me in a small group, and some of you may not have. If you use it with me in a small group, all you have to do is hit the PDF file or hit open with Kami. It'll take you right to it. If you have not yet, all right, one thing I want you to do is to check at the top right corner of your screen like I am, and I can see it looks like a royal blue, purple blue K. That's Kami. That means I have the extension on my laptop. It's on my Chromebook. So all I really need to do is also hit open with Kami. But if you need to check, or when you hit open, it may ask you to download it. So what I just clicked is another document that'll walk you through. It kind of shows you what things may pop up as you're trying to put Kami on. So it may ask you to add to Chrome. You can click the add extension, but more than likely it'll ask you to open with Kami, and it may ask you all these different questions. You need to allow it to connect to your Google Drive, because that'll let me see when you are on it, and it'll let me see what your work on there. So you may have to hit this a couple times. So make sure when there's little boxes that pop up, you hit allow. And there will be at one point to ask you, what are you using Kami for? You will say school, and you will say you are a student. Okay? So when you do open your document with Kami, it will be a PDF file. And you will have lots of different options to write on this page. Now, this will pop up for you, for me, but not for you. Okay, so when Kami does pop up, you have all these options over here for things to write on here. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down, and this is my first question, is to find 3 times 4 by breaking apart the array or changing the order of factors. So what I'm going to do is over here, there's many tools. There's a text to speech that I can click, and it'll allow me to, if you highlight things, it'll read it for you. It should let you read it for you when you hit the read page, okay?
Solve problems.
Yep, so there it started.
Problems 1 and 2 to find how many are in 3 groups of 4.
And then if you click here.
Find 3, 3, 4 by breaking apart the array or by changing the order of factors.
So that's if you
3,
need it
3,
to read
4.
to you. Oh, okay. And then you can come down here to a text box, and you can click on it, and it'll allow you to type in it as well. All right, and if you don't need it, you can hit an X. But the one we really want to use for math is the drawing. So I can make it a little bit thicker if I need it to. I can choose my colors. Well, I really love this black because it's easy for me to see. And then I can just sit on here and draw what I need to show the answers. All right, so you have questions 1, 2. This one says explain, so that might be a good time to use the text box if you choose to use Kami. So, and I can restate with my raise how I broke apart the array was, all right, and then I can type from there. And then I will go here. You've got question 3 and all these others. And when you are finished, you will come up to the top, and it should say turn in. Mine does not say that, but it will say it for yours. So make sure you turn it on Kami for your teachers to see. Again, you can do this on your actual copy or on Kami. If you have any questions, let us know.